Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Django on Windows. But first of all, let's define Django. So Django is a powerful tool in Python that helps you build websites quickly and easily. It takes care of many things for you so you can focus on writing your app, not the boring stuff. It comes with helpful features like login system, admin panel, ORM, stands for Object-Relational Mapping, and URL routing and templates. Okay, so now let's proceed with how to install it on Windows. Okay, so first step is I'm going to create a virtual environment, and this is the command. So let me just copy and paste this, and let me go to Visual Studio Code and actually make this. Let me make this on the side. Okay, so I have this folder called tutorial. So this is where I'm going to create the virtual environment. So this is the command. So just enter it. So of course, just to explain this a bit, this is the module, built-in module in Python, and this is the name of the virtual environment, or just the folder. Okay, so done. So if I do a dir, I see that there is this virtual environment called django_ev or env, and I have a existing virtual environment called my env. All right, so the next step is to activate the virtual environment. So to do that, this is the command. So this is the name of the folder, scripts, and activate.bat, because this is Windows. All right, so now we see that Django env is in the path or in the command or prompt, right? So now we can proceed with installing Django. So to install Django, this is the command, pip install Django. Okay, Django has installed successfully. And it's got other packages that it installed. Okay, so to check the version of the Django that we installed, this is the command django-admin version. Okay, 5.2. And of course, if you want to check the Python interpreter in this virtual environment, you can do Python -- version. So we are using Python 3.13.2. Okay. The next step is to create a project. So this is the command. And by the way, if I do this, copy that command and I enter it, I will get the other Django related commands like run server, migrate, make migrations, right? And other commands. All right, so let me just go ahead and so actually start project is here, should be here, yeah. So just copy that command, and then the name of the project is mysite. So now if let me just clear the screen, and if I do a dir, I see that there is a folder called mysite, and we can now just check the related subfolders, right? Or files, Python files. And the next step is I can now navigate to the project folder, which is called mysite. And I can now I can now run this command, python manage.py run server. So this is to test the Django installation. And the next step is actually just go to this URL, right, and test. So I have this message here, starting development server at this URL. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this. And now it says the install worked successfully, congratulations. So yeah, so that's how you can quickly install Django, and that's how you can test it using this command. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.